It is time for a car wash. To change out my mud flaps. As you can see, they're off. That back one's off, and this is the front one that actually broke this winter. So they're the regular old mud flaps that you can get from like Tesla, Amazon, or wherever. I actually got these on Amazon, and this is how they go. Something like this. Hold on a second. Yes, just like this, right? And it broke under here. Let me get you on the other side so I can show you better. Like this, okay? They attach like that, and they're pretty easy to install, more difficult to take off, but it's supposed to extend down like this, and that whole piece broke off because of the snow that and the ice that would get bunched in here. The wheel would turn, and then it just busted. So I'm gonna replace these with these right here. So they're different, they're flexible, but they're not going to break, I hope. They go just like this, and they're shiny. You can get them in different colors as far as the name goes here, where it says Rally Armor. You can get it like in red, whatever, but all of them are gonna go there. Should be a pretty easy install, and I don't know, kind of change the look a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm too crazy about the look, but we'll see. I'll let you know. All right, so here is the material I am working with. It's flexible, shouldn't break like the other ones, and I've got them all in place where they're gonna go because there's different size for the front and back. But they're a more shiny look than dull, like the bumper here. Actually, oh my goodness, I think I got an issue here. This back bumper was actually repaired, and now I've got a gap. So probably gonna have to take that in and get them to line that, because that was not like that. But anyways, the other ones went here and they matched, but this obviously doesn't match as well. It's shiny, but I dig it. I like it. Got it all laid out and ready to go. These things here, you actually have to bend them forward like this, apparently, as shown. Like I said, the instructions are really easy to follow and clear. All right, so here's the final look on the front one that I put on. And since I had to figure it out, I will show you how to install the next one, but it was fairly easy. I popped those two pieces out here, right here, sorry. This is their stuff that came with it that I had to put in, and then there are these three clips here. 1, 2, 3, and those just pop right on. These clips also come with the other type that I had, and they rusted. So these are probably going to rust as well. State of Maine for ya, sold and such. So, all right, so for the back here, as you can see, this is actually the outline of where the previous ones were. So it kind of did take some wear and tear. So FYI, if you go with the other ones, it's going to, cause that. This actually, I guess, is normal because the other side looks exactly the same, but I don't know, it seems to me like that gap is not supposed to be there. Anyways, let me get it set up here so you can see how I install it. Here's an example of the rust. See, there was another one of these here from the previous one I had. It only had one clip though, not 3, and that's all rusted. I don't like that, but what can you do? I'll just walk you around the car so you can see them. They're nice and shiny. I really, really like the look. This one was a total pain in the you-know-what, but I figured it out. I don't know what the issue was. No issue with the product, to be honest. It had to do with the screw. Whatever, I can't explain it. It just took me more time than it should have, and it's just, that's on me. All right, they look really, really good. I'm happy with that look.